So today, oh wait, where's my hand? Alright, so today, Ayo, hold up. Oh, why does this always happen? Alright, we're playing Lab Monkey. But, yeah, we're playing Lab Monkey. And we're gonna be playing with my brother. But we've gotta get past this first, I think. This part first. This is my first time playing, by the way. So I don't know. It's like Gorilla Tag. Whoa. Whoa, there's people. How do I join codes? Alright, be back when I figure out how to join codes. Alright, so we're back, and I found out the code. So this is my fan code, by the way. Apple 4 is my fan code. Enter. Alright, I'm in the room. Yo, I'm a monkey! Ah! Damn, this is cool. I just gotta wait for them to join. I'm just gonna look around. I'm just gonna explore this place. Oh yeah, by the way, the Animal Company, go watch that trailer. But the Animal Company movie will be coming out soon. Wait, is there someone here? Hold up. Hold on. BRB. Alright, so I'm back. And I think they are joining. But I don't know what these alien looking dudes are. Yo, what's up? What's up, my nice friends?
Bro, I'm in Apple 4. Where are you?
Oh, he joined. Alright. Oh, what's up? What's up? Alright, so what do we do in this game?
So, we're basically...
Yo, what is this?
Oh, it's a camera.
Wait, we can record?
Yeah. Hey, come here.
Alright, in future videos, I'm gonna be recording on this thing.
Hey, come here.
Yo,
I have to show you one cool thing. One thing. I have to show you one thing in the shop.
Wait a minute. Oh wait, that's kind of weird. Alright. Wait, so do I get to...
Bro, come with me.
How do I...
Orange.
Alright,
Orange,
yeah,
come with me. This is a cool thing about this game.
Oh wait,
just come with me, Orange. Orange.
Oh, shop.
Straight down to the
Yo,
shop.
what's in the shop?
Items. Now I want you to come over to bunker. Click this.
A whiskey bottle.
And then
Yo,
come
I'm
here.
about to censor that. Yeah.
See this? That's how many aura. That's
aura.
That's aura. You have aura in this game.
Alright, so where's the
Yeah,
horror? Because I heard this was a horror game.
Okay, come with me to watch the whole.
Alright,
To watch.
be back in a bit, guys. Wait. Alright, so first we will be doing bunker. Yeah, we'll be doing bunker. But in a future video, I will be filming on that thing. So I'm going in. Whoa, what the heck? This is so weird. Oh.
I know. Okay, so Orange, we have to find all the keys, but no, don't go up there.
The dogs like my feet. Hey yo, what did I just say?
Okay, this way, down here. Okay, we have to run away from the monkey and the horse.
Wait, what's that? Oh shoot! Oh shoot!
Yeah.
hear
Oh, and if
something.
you wanna
There's
leave,
something up here.
And if you want to leave, press-
Oh! Oh, bro, what was that? It's closed. It's closed. Hey, yo, go down. Go down. How do we beat this?
Oh, Freaky's coming. Okay. We're just gonna run from everybody, okay? Follow me, follow me. If you see a big monkey that looks thick and appears. Hey. Hey, yes. No! That was the horse.
Wait, does it break through that?
No, not the sauna room. These are places where you can jump up here.
Alright, hold on. I'm gonna start. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo. Oh! Yo, what is this? Alright, I'm gonna start filming on this thing. How do I film on this? Hey, yo. I think I might just get up here. How do I film on this? Oh, I'm in a green screen room!
I died by the thick monkey.
Wait, does it follow me around?
Hey, wait.
Today? How do I film videos on this?
You want to go to an easier level?
Sure, but how do I film videos on this?
This one is easy.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna be using this in a future video. Alright, so I'm going back to the... Alright, so we're back in the lab, and I think we might be doing another level. Hey, yo, they're all closed. Hold up. Look, these are all closed. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure out.
They're future levels.
Hey,
They're
yo.
future levels.
Oh.
Let's go to the... No, not the bathroom.
Alright, yeah. That's kind of sus. Circus. Alright, I'm going in. Bro, this thing, yo, this makes me dizzy. Yo, are you in?
Rahigi. Rahigi. Hadigi. Hadigi. Okay,
Oh.
this way. Pull this lever. Hey, run. Get into here, it's the safe zone.
Hey, yo, you ain't got nothing
There's a
on
bunch
me.
of like little cool things.
Oh, die. Wait, do I get to hurt him?
Bro, try to... Yo, he does got something on you.
Wait,
Pineapple!
do you get to hurt him?
Not again, that's just a life thing. Yeah.
Yo! I missed.
Oh, I got my sword.
Wait, yo, why does it say that? Is this a Shark Tank?
Oh, frick.
I'm gonna try to get up there. Yo, I'm stuck.
Your history. That's not a game. That's just...
How do we defeat him? Or how do we,
Bro, turn on the lights in here.
how do we... Oh, no, he's after me. He's Ah! Oh, nah, bro, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Bruv, leave me alone. I'm in a top floor. Nah. Oh, shoot. I got... Bro! This is actually hard.
Bro, look at, I'm the goat. I'm the goat.
Bro, I
Look
hate
what
that
did.
thing.
It's in the middle. Okay.
Can't lift it.
Okay, we died. Yeah, you like this monkey. You like it?
How do we...
Bro, do you want to play a different game?
Not until the video's over. How do we win this? How do we beat this?
We have to find all the levers.
How many levels have we found? Alright, I'm gonna go in here. Yo! There's a clown! There's a clown! Bro,
Bro, the clown is like 2 feet tall.
Oh, you think you're so cool? Oh, no. Oh, no.
Oh, you think you're so cool?
Ah! Alright, where's the levers at?
I'ma just lay my
Alright, if I die one more time, the video's ending. What's up, you little clowny? Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, I'm so good. Oh, bro, the monkey and the clowner. Oh, shoot.
Oh, monkey.
Oh no, oh no, oh no, save me! Save me! Help! Ah! What the freaking knackers? Oh my knackers! Oh my monkey knackers! Oh, ah! Oh no, I'm leaving this. I'm leaving this. Oh no. This is way This is where I'm going to end the video. Orange Hill Play. See you in the next one. Don't forget to leave a like and maybe subscribe. Bye. This camera's so cool.